This is the story of how I lost 60 kilograms and completely changed my life. Just 5 years ago, I was morbidly obese, unemployed and depressed. Today, everything's different. I'm not here to sell you a secret hack, just share how I got here. And give you a few things I wish someone had told me. If this helps even one person make a change, it's worth it. I started to struggle with my weight around age 14. I quit football and slowly, bad eating habits started to catch up with me. But things really changed when I left school at 16. No more walking between classes, no PE, no football, just sitting. I remember dragging myself up 4 flights of stairs to get to the IT department at college. Every week it got harder. I dropped out after a year and fell into a pretty deep depression. Over the next few years, I bounced between jobs I couldn't stick to. Most people don't realise how physical everyday life is. Stairs, lifting things, being on your feet. When you're obese, everything hurts. Even basic jobs become exhausting. I can't think of one specific turning point for me, it was more gradual. My brother says it started when I got out of breath just lying in bed. Maybe he's right. But I think the shift came in early 2020 when COVID hit. I just started learning about food, calories and how weight gain actually works. For the first time, I understood that healthy didn't just mean salad and boiled chicken, it meant balance. I weighed 150 kilograms. That day, I scribbled my weight onto my work desk. Let's see what happens. A few weeks later, I'd lost 10 pounds. I still remember walking my little sister to school and turning to my brother on the way home. I'm going to lose all of this weight. In a few years, people will ask me how I did it and I won't know what to tell them. I don't know where that confidence came from, but seeing the scale move gave me proof, and that proof, it became addictive. If I had to sum up the biggest realization for me, it would be it's not about perfection, it's about consistency and calorie balance. Once I understood I could still eat enjoyable food, as long as I stayed within my limits, everything changed. Here are my 5 biggest lessons from the last 5 years. Lesson 1. Start slow. Tiny, manageable changes beat big, unsustainable overhauls. Don't throw out all of your food and go to the gym for 2 hours a day. Just add one protein-rich meal. Go for one extra walk. Start where you are, not where you wish you were. 2. Protein is key. If you don't eat proper meals, you'll feel constantly hungry. Start your day with lean protein like chicken breast or eggs and build around that. The more real meals you eat, the less you'll crave junk food. 3. Cardio. Cardio won't melt the fat off, especially not when you're 140 kilograms. Instead of buying a cheap step tracker, add 1,000 steps to your daily average. Over time, add more, no pressure, just add movement. 4. Lift weights. Resistance training helps preserve muscle when losing lots of weight. Start with 2 days a week, do compound lifts or seated ones if your mobility is limited. Focus on learning the movements first and the strength will come over time. 5. Mindset is everything. No one is coming to save you. If you do nothing, that's okay. You're still loved, but what's your pain point? The thing that keeps you up at night? Do you want to live to see your kids get married? Do you want to feel attractive again? Or do you just want to wake up without everything hurting? Whatever it is, let that guide your first tiny step. If tomorrow you swap your usual breakfast for a protein shake and some fruit, you've started. That's progress. One of the best things about progress is how addicting it becomes. You lose 2 kilograms and suddenly you want to lose 5. You get a better job and now you want a career. That's the beauty and the trap. Our minds adjust, progress becomes the new normal, and we chase more. On this channel we'll talk about that. All forms of progress, physical, mental, emotional and everything in between. Not quick fixes, not 10 secrets to success, just real stories, honest lessons and systems that actually work. From someone who felt the buzz of progress once and never stopped chasing it. Thanks for watching.